Learn to live with pain. Learn to live with pain. When you are troubled, when you are against the walls, people tend to take an advantage of you. They expect you to kneel before them so they can be of use to your challenging situation. But what makes the matter worse is that you truly don't know who to kneel before. Among the people you opt to kneel before so you may be helped might be your worst enemies, who perhaps pushed you in the dungeon you're in now. And maybe that was their goal, that was their chase, and that's what they wished to see and hear. And that was their plan. Seeing you bowing before them, going back to people who hurt you for help will only expose you to further risks of being hurt more, because you don't know what their goals and intentions were. Maybe they wanted to see you lying dead in a casket. Maybe they wanted to see you running naked on streets while you're mad. So, the best alternative in such a miserable situation is learning how to live with pain. It is definitely not easy to camouflage with pain, but guess what? You must do so as you create your escape route. Charlie Chaplin once said, "I love crying in the rain because no one notifies my sorrow and my tears." Crying and exposing your sorrow to everyone in sync of sympathy for help will bring you more harm than you expect. Train yourself to face your challenges. Fight your battles, because it's you and only you to help yourself before anyone else does. Pain in most cases is the price we pay for our tomorrow's happiness. And remember, pain is temporary. Bear it now. Live with it today, because through pain itself, you will learn different life experiences. You will be able to know the